Hello friends, welcome to ChemShastra. Another concept is a concept of mole fraction that we are going to study in solutions and colligative properties. Okay, now what basically is a mole fraction? It's a more scientific way of representing concentration of solute as well as concentration of solvent in a solution. Okay, so basically it is represented by a symbol small x. Okay, now if you see the formula x1, okay, now this 1 represents, for 1 is for solvent and 2 is for solute, that we have to remember. So x1 is equal to n1 divided by n1 plus n2. This is a simple formula that you have to remember. What is x2? x2 is equal to n2 divided by n1 plus n2. Okay, so let's try to understand what the formula says. x1 is a mole fraction of the solvent, okay, which is what? Which is the ratio of number of moles of solvent divided by number of moles of solvent plus number of moles of solute, which is nothing but total number of moles of the solution. Okay, now what is x2? x2, this is x2. Okay, what is x2? It's a mole fraction of the solute. What is the mole fraction of the solute? It is the number of moles of the solute divided by number of moles of the solvent plus number of moles of the solute, which is nothing but number of moles of the solute divided by total number of moles of the solution in the solution, which is nothing but moles of solute plus moles of solvent. So if you ask me what is the unit of mole fraction, I'll say it is a unitless quantity. As you can see, we are dividing number of moles by number of moles. Okay, so that's why mole fraction doesn't have any unit. Okay, but a very important question is asked: what will be the answer for x1 plus x2? Okay, if I take mole fraction of solvent and if I add it to the mole fraction of solute, what value I'll get? We'll simplify this equation. x1 plus x2. What is the x1? It is the n1 divided by n1 plus n2. So it is the n1 divided by n1 plus n2 plus what is the x2? It is the n2 divided by n1 plus n2. So plus n2 divided by n1, not x1, sorry, n1 plus n2. Okay, so if you solve this equation, what you get is n1 plus n2 divided by n1 plus n2. So you can cancel this very easily, which is equal to 1. So you can say that mole fraction of solvent plus mole fraction of solute is always unity, okay, which is equal to 1 in this case. Okay, so we have talked about molarity, we have talked about normality. There's a video available on representing or defining concentration of the solution in terms of percentage by mass as well as percentage by volume. Now this is a video on mole fraction, how to find out the mole fraction of a solute as well as solvent in a solution. Okay, I want to keep this video a very short video, so that's why I'm not doing any calculation part over here. How to find out the mole fraction? It's pretty much simple thing. If you know what is the formula of number of moles, what is the number of moles? N is equal to weight of the substance divided by its molecular weight. Okay, so weight will be in gram and molecular weight will be in gram per mole. So what is the unit of number of moles? Gram divided by gram per mole. So it comes out to be mole. Okay, number of moles, right? So this is a pretty much simple game. You should know number of moles of the solute present. What are the questions can be asked? ठीक है, एग्जाम में questions किस टाइप के आ सकते हैं? They will give you the mass of the substance, okay, mass of the solute and mass of the solvent. Obviously, you will be knowing the molecular formula of a solute and solvent. That's why you can find out the molecular weight of a respective solute and solvent. And once you know that, you can find out easily number of moles of the solute and number of moles of the solvent. Then you have to just do the addition and division. You will get the mole fraction of the solute if that is asked. If you want to find out the mole fraction of the solvent, you can find out that as well. But what you should remember is no matter what solution you are making, whatever solution you are making, always your mole fraction of solvent and mole fraction of solute ka addition, summation will always be a unity. Okay, because of this logic. Okay, thanks for watching. Stay tuned to ChemShastra channel for more such videos and do subscribe, hit the like button and share it with your friends.